Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are doing great by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Previously, we have learnt about landforms in India. And today, we are here to learn about the landforms of Tamil Nadu. We have 5 landforms in Tamil Nadu. To begin with, in our solar family, Earth is the 3rd planet, which has oxygen and proper temperature to live in. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. This biosphere constitutes 5 elements of nature such as land, water, air, fire, and sky. In Tamil Nadu, the land is divided into different types. They are also called as Thinai. First tell me, what are the types of landforms you see around in your place? Yes, you can see hills, mountains, forests, fields, seashore, dry lands, etc. Tell me, what are the raised areas seen on earth? Yes, hills and mountains are the raised areas, isn't it? Yes. Where does the crops grow? Have you seen the crops growing? Yes, in agricultural fields. You're right. Where would you see the seashore? Have you visited the seashore? Have you played in sand? Yes. Okay, tell me, what do you call a useless land? Yes, a dry land which is of no use, isn't it? Okay, in Sangam age, these landforms are divided into Kurunji, Mullai, Palai, Marudam, Neidal. These are 5 Thinais. 5 Thinais are nothing but 5 landforms. Kurunji refers to mountains and mountainous regions. Mullai refers to forest areas. Palai refers to the dry land. Marudam refers to the fields. And Neidal refers to the seashore. Mountain refers to Kurunji. And Mullai refers to forest areas. And Marudam refers to the agricultural land or agricultural fields. And Neidal refers to the seashore or sea region. Palai refers to the dry land. Come on, repeat with me. Kurunji, Mullai, Neidal, Marudam and Palai. Hope you are clear? Out of these 5 Thinais, only 4 were permanent. There are Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal are permanent. Whereas this Palai was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. Let's look about Kurunji and Mullai in detail in this session. Mountains. Mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. This mountain and mountainous areas are called as Kurunji. Let's look upon the theme of Kurunji. Theme is nothing but it deals with occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird, musical instruments, etc. In Kurunji region, people practice shifting cultivation, which is an important form of agriculture. When we speak about the plantation, trees like bamboo, sandalwood and teakwood found here. And people engaged in honey collecting and hunting, which is a major occupation found here. And crops like millets found in abundance. Along with the millets, some spices like pepper is seen here. Birds like parrot and peacock and animals like elephant, snakes and tiger is seen here. And weapons like shield, bow and arrow is found here. And musical instrument like Kurunji Yar is used here. And people living here are Kuravar and Kurattiyar, who are hunters and gatherers. And rich people among them are Verpan, leader of the tribe, Silamban, master of the martial arts, and Poruppan, soldier, live here. And soils like black soil and red soil with stones and pebbles are seen here. Miraculous Kurunji flower, which grows once in 12 years. The flower grows well in the Western Ghats and it flowers in the month of July to September. This flower has medicinal value which cures neurological disorders. And chief hills found here are Servarayan Hills, which is an important hill station in the Eastern Ghats, and Anemalai Hills, which is found in the Western Ghats, are seen here. Apart from this, hills like Kolli Hills, Nilgiris, and Elagiri Hills are the major attractions in Tamil Nadu. These are the themes of Kurunji. And next we move on to Mullai region, which is forest areas comes under it. Forest areas are referred to as Mullai region. It is also called as Sembulam. You know why? It is called as Sembulam because of the presence of red soil in it. Right? Okay. Grassland or forest land is referred to as Mullai region. People here are Ayar and Achiyar. They are the cattle rearer, and Idayar and Idechiyar are the milk sellers. Forest found here is Mudumalai forest, which is in Nilgiri district, Kiripare Reserve Forest in Kanyakumari district, and beautiful Shola forest, which is in Coimbatore district. Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kadalur district. It is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. They are the magnificent Pichavaram mangrove forest, which is in Kadalur district. And soil found here is red soil. And occupation of the people in these areas is cattle rearing, fruits gathering, and sowing millets is seen. And fruits like guava and flowers like mullai flower is seen here in abundance. Animals like bear, rabbit, and birds like parrot is seen here. And mullai yar is a musical instrument found here. And manufactured products like paper from bamboo trees and matchstick from ilai and fragrance oil from sandalwood tree and soap from neem and balm from iluppai and pungam tree is found here. You just recall using this tabular column. Hope you understood. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.